Is very major problem nowadays. Researchers says that 1 among 10 people is suffering from back pain. Actually nowadays our life is so comfortable and easy. Everything we get just on a click, whether it's our food item or our grocery. But same thing doesn't work for our body. For body we need care, we need attention, and we need to give so much time to take care of it. There are many causes. Because of that, the people are suffering from backache, poor lifestyle, lack of exercises, lack of nutrition, and the wrong postures. And sometimes we are involved so much in our work that we are just ignoring our very important body. So these are the cause. And most of the time, backache not only just a pain or a ache. It comes with so much stiffness, a feeling which says like compact feeling. You feel like something has blocked in your lower back. You can't sit for a long time, you can't walk comfortably, you can't really do your everyday's work, and sometimes you really feel that your daily routines, your quality of life is really hampering and is affecting. And what happened, we go for analgesics, different kind of painkillers, and visit many doctors, many chiropractors, and ultimately we got a recommendation we need to go for a surgery, which is something really make us very uncomfortable, and it's not easy to take decision on this point for our body to just for going for the surgery. So I have experienced, and I suggest that in Ayurveda and Panchkarma there are many therapies. They are the combination of the therapies according to underlying condition. We can go for that, and it really helped. I'm just remembering just a week ago I got a call from a girl. She's 27, and she called me, and the sound was really she was almost crying. She said, "Doctor, I'm just getting a severe pain," but it was there since many months, but she was just ignoring that, and now she's not able to do her daily routine work, and doctors recommending surgery for her. But she don't want to go for that, and even the family members was not allowing surgery for her. So they decided to look for the alternative, and she was discussing the thing with me, and I just advised her, okay, we'll do the therapies and let's see how you'll improve with it. And it was really very beautiful, and she started improving for her problems, her pain, her discomfort, and within 14 days the problem was vanished 80%. It was remained only 20%, and then she was advised to continue with some internal Ayurvedic medications and some therapies, another session of therapies after 1 month. So that is just an experience I want to add here. Like in natural therapies, in Ayurvedic therapies, we can really help ourselves, and we can really help others also, instead of going for instead of choosing for the surgery is the first option. Thank you.